Welcome to Babonga's channel. Today, Faux natural stone tutorial. The easiest of all. Now let's take a look at these two bracelets. As you see, this kind of stones you can find everywhere. But it's very difficult to make beads out of them. We have two combinations. First is black and transparent, and the other is black and white. We'll start with black and translucent clay. We make two long canes and we start marbling them, twisting and rolling the two separate canes. Repeat until the two colors come together into a zebra-like pattern. Cut in equal lengths. Roll into a bead. That's all it takes. No bead comes out the same. Repeat the process with the black and white clay to make black and white stones. If only we could roll this random pebble into a bead. Our first roll doesn't come out very natural, but don't worry. Let's smudge. We dirty and distort the pattern. But we're careful not to lose it altogether. This comes out more natural. Work it into a small pouch. Tuck the edges in and roll into a bead. Check this out, a soft stone. Neat, isn't it? Let them set for 5 minutes in the freezer. And let's do some holes. I'm using first a hat pin and I'm going in, twisting and not pushing. I make sure that the bead rolls freely. Then I continue to make the hole bigger with the toothpick. I'm going to do this for all my beads and then bake. Here you see how it comes out after baking, before varnishing. Final step is giving some shine to our beads. So, what do you think? Faux stone beads made of polymer clay. So easy. Bye bye.